Hello everyone. Hello everyone. From today onwards, I am going to launch a YouTube lecture series on neural network and learning machine. This lecture series will be beneficial for students, researchers, and industry persons working in the domain of machine learning, deep learning, and computer vision. Myself, Pritam Chakravarti, Assistant Professor in the Department of EC, St. Mary Technical Campus, Kolkata. I hope this series will be highly beneficial for every learners. Now, moving forward, in this introductory session, I'm going to share what are the topics that I'm going to cover in the subsequent series. First, an introduction chapter of 30 minutes or 45 minutes will be there, where I'm going to share some knowledge on basic introductory knowledge on neural network. Then, moving on to further, I am going to share my knowledge on Russell band perceptron, then model building to regression, least mean square algorithm, multi-layer perceptron, kernel methods and radial basis function network, support vector machine, regularization theory, principal component analysis, self-organization maps, information theoretical learning methods, stochastic method rooted in statistical mechanics. Then I'm going to some advanced research topic, which is very much important for the research students in the research domain, like dynamic programming, neurodynamics, Bayesian filtering for state estimation of dynamic system, dynamically driven recurrent network. Hope this series will be beneficial for you. Thank you and hope for your active participations. And please subscribe to my channel and share as much as possible so that my channel gets my knowledge will be shared to everyone and everyone get beneficial from this. Thank you and see you soon.